Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to make camera follow your champion in League of Legends. So in order to make the camera follow your champion in League of Legends is very easy. You have to just press space. So if I press and hold space, as you can see that my camera is following the champion. And if I let go of space, the camera will not follow anymore. It is very useful in team fights where you can't basically see yourself very clearly and it is all messy. You can also easily change the keybind through settings. So press escape, go to the hotkeys tab. From here scroll down to the camera control tab. From here you'll find a center camera on champion. You can select from here whatever button you would prefer. After that, if you press that specific button, it will start following your champion. So this is how you can easily make your camera follow your champion in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.